Hello traders, this is Juan Maldonado from the Elliott Wave Street. As always, it's a pleasure to share with you some of our views on these markets. This is an update on the S&P. I'm going to go through the price action analysis with Elliott Wave and a volume profile. I'm in the launch of a free webinar about volume profile. If you want to learn how to use this fantastic tool to find support and resistance levels and also some trades, you need to sign up. So you need to visit elliottwavestreet.com/webinar, and there you will find all the details. You can sign up and you can reserve your spot. This is the weekly chart on the S&P. The price has been going in this corrective wave. I'm planning to see a hard high on the S&P. But my big question at the beginning of this week was if this was it for the B wave, and if we were in the leg up. It wasn't too clear. Now it is. Now it is extremely clear, and we have a higher probability, a huge probability, of course, as with other analysis technique. We always need to validate what we are saying. Here we have the 4-hour chart on the S&P. The price did a 5-wave sequence. They confirm the 5-wave because we were here doing this 3-wave sequence today, so it wasn't too clear if we were going to make the 5 or not. Yes, we did the wave 5 finally. So this is the validation. Right here is the validation for the impulse because we have a 5-wave sequence. What's next? What we need to focus now on is finding the end of wave 2. The wave 2 can finish at any Fibonacci level, any retrace. So here, after doing the Elliott wave analysis, is where the volume profile analysis is going to help us out. We have on the volume profile a lot of levels. For example, this green level that you see up here is one of my magic levels because this level is the point of control on, let me go back here, no, this one here, yeah, on September 10th. A point of control is the level where most volume was traded during that session. And the good news is that you can apply this on currencies, on Forex or cryptocurrencies or futures like this one or any market, because this thing is using the volume profile, is calculating the volume according to how much time the price is spending at a level. So it's not related with the volume coming from the exchange, where you know that from the, like for example, the Forex market doesn't have that data because there is not a centralized exchange. On the Chicago exchange is different, but the volume profile is very good at showing those spots by telling the most time that the price was traded at what time, and it works fantastic. So for example, that level, if we check to the previous session point of controls, and I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this in the free webinar, October 19th, but this was a good level. Now we want to focus on finding the end of the wave 2. Right, thanks to the Elliott wave analysis, we know that this is a market cycle and we are going to see a market cycle down. So with volume profile, we start seeing high probability support levels. So here we have one, here we have another one. I'm using the session point of controls right here, and here we have a heavy area. That's where I'm thinking that the corrective wave could go. You know, we can have a very deep one. Oh, that would be so great. So I can tell you from now that one of my magic levels expected is going to be around this area. I really like it. The 232, that this is on the E-mini, so the index is around 10 points above the E-mini right now, so it's fairly the 232, 242 on the index. What else we can do? We can add the Fibonacci tool right here from the low. I'm going to take it from here. I'm going to extend it all the way up to the right. There we go. And now I'm going to combine all the volume profile from the low to the high, like similar to the Fibonacci tool. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. So here is on the right on my screen. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you a step by step how to add the tools. If you like TradingView, I'm going to teach you how to do it, or maybe your own platform has the tools, so it's gonna be easy to add them once you understand how to use this thing. So there we go. Here is the most traded volume. The fair price was here. This is the most strong point of volume, and from here, from this high till this low here, is the 70%, is one standard deviation of our wave one, where 70%, the one, you know that one standard deviation is 68%, but here we're using 70%, just to round it up, is the same. So this is the 70% area where most of the price has been traded during our impulse. That's nice, right? It's like having an X-ray of the impulse. And that means that if we are lucky enough to have the price coming down here to the magic level, it's going to be cheap, because most value is going to be at this area. So right here is going to be a great discount. You know, if the price give us the leg down, that dip, A, B, and C, from there we can buy it. That's going to be great. All right, coming back to the wave count, another important detail is that here we will need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for C. But look at the slope. When we are finding the corrective wave, we are looking for this type of slope, divergent. That's a nice one, but we are not looking to see this thing. If during the corrective wave you see that the price starts accelerating like this, oh no, don't try to buy that thing. On this one is different, because you wait for the end, where you think is the end. I can teach you some techniques to find precisely the end of the cycle, and then you start taking your trade, right? But that's a big difference, and it's really important. All right, so I'm doing this great webinar. Is going to be on October 19th. Let me open up the website. Just 1 second. I have it here ready for you. So here we have the website. It's completely free. It's going to be during 3 days, a great event. So here you visit elliottwavestreet.com/webinar, and you are going to fill up your email and your name. You are going to sign up. And on the first volume profile masterclass, I'm going to give you all my secrets using this technique. On the second one, I'm going to tell you my price action secrets connected with a volume profile. And on the third class, I'm going to give you my secrets to success and the introduction to the Elliott wave theory. Plus, during the whole event, the 3 days, you are going to receive in the New York mornings my live market analysis on futures and Forex. So you have to sign it up right now for the webinar. We have a limited capacity, so go right now to the website and sign up now. I'll see you in the live session. Please have a great trading week, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.